it's just a very basic explanation of what we're doing in energy consumption. So every appliance that we use uses some sort of energy, and energy is best understood as the power drawn by an electrical device. That's what electrical energy really means. So the amount of power that is drawn by an electrical device. We don't really need to know this to work out mathematical calculations. So, for example, if I use my dishwasher, it could have a rating of 1.3 kilowatts. Now, I won't, like, this doesn't like tell me much, right? It just says, okay, my dishwasher uses 1.3 kilowatts. That's good to know. It doesn't matter much to me. But when it does start to matter is when we have to use our money to run our devices. So the first thing that we need to look at is kilowatt hours. Now, kilowatt hours talks about how long we take to run this energy, to run this device over a certain amount of time. So if we run our dishwasher, which has an electrical rating of 1.3 kilowatts, for 2 hours, then we can find how many kilowatt hours is used by the dishwasher. So to find that, we do 1.3 kilowatts times by our 2 hours. And that is equal to 2.6 kilowatt hours. Now, whenever we use an electrical device, we have to pay for the electricity that's being used. And for example, if the electricity rate is $0.27, then per hour, per kilowatt hour, then that means for every kilowatt hour we need to spend $0.27. So how many kilowatt hours is our dishwasher? Do we use our dishwasher for? We use it for 2.6 kilowatt hours. Now, if we used something for 3 kilowatt hours, then what we would do is we do 0.27, which is our electricity rate, which we get from here, right? So if we use it for 3 kilowatt hours, we do 0.27 times by 3. If we used it for 5 kilowatt hours, we do 0.27 times by 5. Now, with our dishwasher, we used it for 2.6 kilowatt hours. Therefore, we do 0.27 times by 2.6. Now, what is 0.27 times by 2.6? Let's put that into a calculator. 6 times by 0.27 times by 2.6 is equal to 0.702. So, essentially what it's saying is that when I use my dishwasher that has an electricity rate of 1.3 kilowatts for 2 hours, I have to pay $0.702. Alright, I hope that makes a little sense. So we'll get into some of the questions, and that will be in the next video.